is never overdressed or underdressed in black. And I apply the same principle to vocabulary when you use black. And that's why I have come up with a video which talks about idioms with the word black. The first idiom is black gold. Now, black gold is another word for crude petroleum oil, and it is called black gold because it refers to its black color, obviously, but also the gold comes from its expensive value. In a sentence, I could say, Jed discovered black gold beneath our field, and now we're more richer than we could ever know. Here's another idiom, the pot calling the kettle black. Now, this is used when you are talking about someone who criticizes you for the very thing that they themselves are actually guilty of. Well, we know many people like that. So, if you want to use this, here's an example sentence. You're judging me for wearing revealing clothes to a party? Well, that's the pot calling the kettle black, don't you think? Which means that this person who is judging you for dressing a certain way is probably dressing provocatively themselves. They are doing exactly the thing that they are calling you out on. They're guilty of the very same thing. Now, there's another phrase which is look black. Now, obviously, it does not refer to the color of your skin, it just means that you appear hopeless or grim because black is associated with a color that is not very positive, right? So, when you say you're looking black, it just means that you're looking very sad, you're looking like there's no hope for you, and that's not a good look. But here's how you can use it. Whenever things start to look black in my life, my children always make me feel immensely better. Here's another one, paint one black. Now, again, this is not a literal way of painting someone black. It just means that you are making someone appear bad, appear evil, appear malicious or ill intentioned, which means you're not a good person if you are trying to paint someone black. You are deliberately trying to make someone look bad. Okay, so in a sentence, you could say, though he's been painted quite black by the media, in person, he's actually a very pleasant man. Okay, so some people, they may be celebrities, they may be politicians, and you've known them to be as very bad people because they've been painted or they've been made to appear like they're bad people, but they're not actually bad people. They're just painted black. Okay, all right, we'll talk about another idiom which is black hole. All right, now this refers to any place or anything, it could be physical or even in your mind, that seems to disappear or become lost forever. Okay, now I'm going to give you an example where this is used not in the physical sense, but in the mental sense. So, for example, Alzheimer's is a terrible disease like a black hole in one's mind, which means when you have this disease called Alzheimer's, everything that you seem to have known, you just forget. Everything goes out of your mind. It's a black hole in your mind, which means things just seem to disappear. But over here, obviously, I'm not referring to a physical thing, I'm referring to a state of mind. The next phrase is the new black. Now, when I say something is the new black, I'm referring to the new fashionable thing. So I can say when it comes to cuisine, avocado or anything made from avocado is the new black these days. I don't know why, but people seem to have a fixation with avocado and everything related to it and think it's the new trend. It's the new black, apparently. All right, so these are our amazing black idioms or black phrases. And by the way, it was also the Black Month in the month of February, so I thought I'm going to go with this. I hope you liked it. Tell me which was your favorite one, and I'll see you soon with some more videos. Until then, keep using these idioms to color your vocabulary. Black idioms. That's it.